If You Give a Moose a Muffin by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a moose a muffin, he'll want some jam to go with it. So you'll bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. When he's finished eating the muffin, he'll want another, and another, and another. When they're all gone, he'll ask you to make more. You'll have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He'll want to go with you. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he'll ask to borrow a sweater. When he puts the sweater on, he'll notice one of the buttons is loose. He'll ask for a needle and thread. He'll start sewing. The button will remind him of the puppets his grandmother used to make. So he'll ask for some old socks. He'll make sock puppets. When they're done, he'll want to put on a puppet show. He'll need some cardboard and paints. Then he'll ask you to help make the scenery. When the scenery is finished, he'll get behind the couch, but his antlers will stick out, so he'll ask for something to cover them up. You'll bring him a sheet from your bed. When he sees the sheet, he'll remember he wants to be a ghost for Halloween. He'll try it on and shout, "Boo!" It'll scare him so much, he'll knock over the paints. So he'll use the sheet to clean up the mess. Then he'll ask for some soap to wash it out. He'll probably want to hang up the sheet to dry. He'll go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he's out in the yard, he'll see your mother's blackberry bushes. Seeing the blackberries will remind him of her jam. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him the jam, he'll want a muffin to go with it. The end. Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Burdett. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story If You Give a Moose a Muffin. When you listen to the story this time, I want you to be on special lookout for 2 or 3 of our sight words, or our special words that we're looking for. If you are in JK, you're going to look for these 2 words. You and go. U is a fun one because it starts with our letter of the week, Y. If you're in JK, you're going to look for 3 words. You're going to look for the words you and go, but also the word to. So Miss Burdett's going to show you how the graph works. I'm going to read a page and we're going to see if we can find one of our special words. So I'm going to do the JK graph right now, you and go. If you give a moose a muffin, there's one of our words on the very first page, you. So you're going to choose a color and you're going to color in one of the boxes in the U tower on your graph. Make sure to color it in all the way from the one side to the other. He'll want some jam to go with it. Hey, there's the word go. So I'm going to choose a different color and I'm going to color in part of the tower for go. If I'm looking at our graph right now, I can see that I have found one word, one U word, and one go word. I've tied them right now. If you are an SK, you would have found a you and a go word, but also there's the word to. So if you're an SK friend, you would also be coloring in part of the tower above the word to. We hope you enjoy this activity and we're excited to see how many special words you find in this book.